Howdy, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to germinate some daylily seeds. These are purple Stella d'Oro daylilies, and today we're going to show you how to germinate them. Let's get started. Okay. In order to germinate the daylily seeds, first you'll need some peroxide, a jar of water, the daylily seeds, some perlite, and a Ziploc bag. This is kind of large, but this is all I had. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bag. First thing we're going to do is open it up. I'm going to pour the perlite in there. Pour the perlite in there. Now we're going to take this jar of water, put a few drops of well, I said a few drops, that's a lot more than a few drops. Put some peroxide in that water, stir it up a little bit, set it aside right here. Now we're going to take our bag. Well, I'm going to show you. Brought this piece of paper so you can see the daylily seeds on the back of it a lot better. Now we have got 5 seeds here from the from our daylily, from one of the pods that we had. We're going to put these and drop these 5 seeds into this mix down here. Now, can't even pick them up. Get these 5 seeds down here and mix it up with the perlite. Then you pour a little peroxide in there. This will help it germinate. It'll keep the moisture in there. Keep the moisture on the okay, now we got it down there in the corner. And blow a little bit of air in it. Keep it from collapsing. Now, well, some of that needs to be drained off. Some of this peroxide needs to be drained off. Can't put that much in there. Okay. Alright. Now, it'll soak up that perlite. Perlite will soak up the peroxide. In about 10 or 12 days, these seeds will germinate. Now, here's some that I've done. Here's some that I've done before. They've already germinated. Some of them are in here, I have. I'm going to pour this out and see what it looks like. See what we get here. Oh, okay. See there? There's one. that germinated. There's 2. Really don't remember how many I put in here. I don't see any more. I know there's more than that. There was more than 2 in here. Some of this is dirt. It looks like daylily seeds on the camera, but it's dirt. I guess that's it. Those 2. So don't know how well you can see them on the camera, but you can see how they germinated from the peroxide. They sprouted. So now these will be perfect to plant just like that. Sometimes they'll let them get a little bit bigger than this, but sprout bigger, but that's fine. So now these are ready to plant. Now since there's only 2, I only need 2 pots. I made 3, but I knew there wasn't too many in there. We're just going to poke a little hole. Each one of these pots. Now you don't want to stick it. You don't want to. Well, let's put this one down. You want to make sure that the root goes down in there. Cover it up. We'll just leave this little tad, this top sticking out. It's hard to see it because it's so small. I know, but usually that thing will be a lot bigger than what it is. Alright, now this one got a lot bigger root on it. This one did, so make the hole a little bit wider so we don't tear up the root. Try to get it in there gentle without tearing it up. Okay. That's it. Right there. They should grow. Become a daylily. As far as daylily, so add just a tad, just a little bit of water on them. Don't want to drown them too much, being little as they are. Just enough to moisten the soil. Now the soil mixture that I'm using in this is what I made when I made the soil. If you watch the video I made where I made the soil mixture for rooting cuttings. So this has, that's the soil I used. So this does have some fertilizer mixed in it, triple 14. You can use whatever you want, but just what I had. I don't use it when I grow stuff. Grow vegetables and stuff. I use organic fertilizers. Now there's two of them here in this. I know you can't hardly see this one. It's so small. It's just barely sticking up. It ain't even a 1/4 inch high. So, and this one right here, you can see it up close. These should turn into daylilies. So that's all there is to the rooting daylily seeds, or sprouting daylily seeds, I should say. If you like the video, leave a comment below and a thumbs up. And until next time, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.